you were jamming, and I hope you.
So I'm right in the plaza where 5-Star Bakery is on 441 between Commercial and Oakland Park when I stumbled upon this store. I can't believe it, guys. It's an original coconut store, Tropical Boyz. Yes, guys, coconut store. Have you ever wanted fresh coconut water? Have you ever wanted fresh coconut jelly? Have you ever wanted sugar cane like you're coming straight from yard? Have you ever wanted some raw Irish moss or some pepper sauce or some fresh made juices? Have you ever just wanted something without any type of flavorings or additives or anything of that nature? Yeah. Well, it's available, man. I promise you it's available. It is at the Tropical Boyz coconut store. Him says a coconut shop. He has fresh juices, yes, various types, fruit juices, and some of these are no sugar added. And of course, fresh coconut water, on top, I would call it, because he chops the coconut for you and, give you the water and the coconut jelly if you want it. Ginger beer, pine and ginger, sorrel, tamarind, you name it, he has it. It's such a nice place and a nice environment. I had to come in and check it out a little bit more. Look there. Sugar cane. It's come like a Jamaica, me there. It come like up on the plantation, me there. Yeah, man. Dry coconut for make Sunday rice and peas. Him have everything where you need. Supplements, yes, for health. And him have even Ovaltine. You can't believe it? A thing like Ovaltine. The man have Ovaltine. Me not tell no lie. The man have pepper, coconut oil, raw honey. The man have colon cleansing. The man have ginseng. Him have baba roots. Him have ginseng in a water. All cutlass the man have.
Just a show now. And this good for your belly. This good for your belly. And see, honey there, so. Watch out. Fresh coconut oil, calypso sauce and Trinidad. Yes, man. I'll cutlass. See my big cutlass them there. To chop up anything. People and cane. Yeah. See there? And him have the big gallon coconut water. Him have Irish moss. See? And a pure coconut. Yeah. Fresh juice coconut. Yeah, man. Oh, tell me what this is about now.
This is a colon cleanser.
One day detox.
Yeah, and it'll help you big time. All diseases start in your colon. I should know. Yeah, I should know.
Oh, you do colon already?
So the real good thing I like about this little coconut shop is, as I said, the proprietor who he allows you to converse with him while he's doing his thing. If you order the sugar cane, for instance, he picks it and peel it. Well, he not pick the cane, but he peel the cane on spot, while holding a conversation with you. He says Saturdays are usually very crazy because people will come in for fresh sugar cane, and as you see how he does it, he has his little chopping board and he does his sugar cane. You don't get the bumps, What he does is throw away the bumps and he puts the cane in the bag for you, and he just makes you feel like it's a little community shop. You would not believe that it is in the city, And I had a good conversation with him and other patrons who came in. As you can see, some people there waiting on the cane. And he might give you 1 and 2 coconut water for free. He give you a little coconut for free. And it just make you feel good, to know that there is such a store like this in the city. And to have a rapport with the person in charge, I like the fresh aspect of it. I like that you don't come in and say cane chop up and put down. I like the fact that when you order your coconut water, for instance, that's when he prepares it. Chop the coconut and throw off the water. And if you need the coconut meat, you're getting the coconut meat just the same, the jelly, and that make me feel good. I'll be definitely coming back up to this shop. And as you can see, guys, we had a wonderful time talking about all sort of things, you know, from the Caribbean to politics to everything, to colon cleansing to everything. It was just a nice time being in the coconut store.
Right there. Right there. You know, we do one thing here is to make the customer happy. That's why we're still here.
Love the jelly, man. It's the best thing you could get.
What? That's right. But you have an accent of a Belizean. Been there?
No, but I meet somebody from Belize.
And I tell you.
Belize actually sound Jamaican, you know.
I heard him talk.
Yeah, man.
Talk and
Only thing is that some of the words and then change up. Yeah, man.
Dialect.
Yeah.
Do what you love and love what you do is not considered work. And have a good time.
See coconut man there? In my coconut man.
Yeah, man.
So anytime when you come up here, remember the plaza with 5-star bakery there, from 441 before you get to commercial.
Jelly shop.
See there? Coconut man. When name tropical boys. And him have all I sitting them. Everything. Trust me. See, yeah man, I'm sure them the card. I'm sure them the card.
And boss, people come from all walks of life.
See it, yeah?
And if I tell you some testimony,
see it right there, so guys.
How they were so sick, and
just because put the address
and how they feel.
I'm make sure you know. I make sure buy. See there? Boss. This is sugar cane for the wifey. And this is two half gallon of coconut.
He was not buy by nobody else.
See there?
How long you been here? For 3 hours. He just wanted a bag of cake.
See there? Just a show. So that's it, guys. Me get my coconut from the coconut man. Yeah, man. See the store in there. Me get my coconut from the coconut man, and I'm heading down now. Yeah. But anytime you're in I hardly got to vlog because me and the man just in there talk so much. You know, nice person, very, very decent gentleman. And as you can see, the man's story is just about chopping coconut.
And having great conversation. Yes, everything is fresh, everything is good, everything is right. You can check it out in the plaza where 5-Star Bakery is on 441 in Lauderdale Lakes, between Commercial and Oakland Park. Once again, join me on Yardie Belly TV when we check out another local location, another Caribbean location in and around South Florida. Yeah man, remember to like, share, subscribe, and as usual, live and laugh, cook and eat. Remember me tell you.